Alright, this is how we fix a turbo boost pipe. As you can see there, this one is damaged. We tried to cut it off, but it didn't work out. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how you can fix your damaged turbo boost pipe. Easy stuff, brother. We got this one from Temu. This is just an extension for there so that it can bite in properly on the intercooler. So yeah, we're gonna set this up. We got this, and then this, I've already put it in there.
That's what she said.
So we're gonna try and measure out that, cut off a section there, insert this, clamp that in, and then we should be done. So yeah, just check out the video. It's all work and no talk from here. DIY Garage, baba. There we go. It's done. It's done.